What are the biggest misconceptions that the general public and CPA's own clients have about CPAs?
The biggest area of confusion for many clients and prospects are they assume that CPAs know both the audit world and the tax world, and they also many people think we know the investment world. So they think that we're interchangeable on, as an investment manager. And I tell them, no, I hire competent investment advisors for, my portfolio. I'll do a little bit on my own, but you need expertise. And after a couple of years, almost every CPA is going to specialize, either on the audit side or the tax side. Sometimes you'll have some small firms that they'll wear multiple hats, but usually to get really competent, you want to specialize. And not only in those two disciplines, audit or tax, and it could be consulting, but also industries, and it may be other. I always tell everybody, be super competent in your core and try and specialize in at least two different areas, whether it be, again, industries, or it could be tax credits, or it could be, mergers and acquisitions, but bring something to the table that's very specialized. If you're just a generalist, you're probably not going to make more than the average CPA.